have an amazing cellar that we built here, and it's phenomenal. It's about 1,400 bottles, and let's go ahead and take a look at what this is here. So as we walk in, we have a frameless glass, so it's a 1/2 inch tempered glass frameless application. It's in a U channel, as you can see, to be able to have a really perfect seal to the door. We also don't use anything that has to do with shower doors. You don't want to have those type of hinges. You want to have a self-closing hinge to be able to close the door with a perfect seal. And as you can notice, there is no air gaps at all in this wine room. So one biggest comparison, a lot of people try to build wine rooms with shower door glass. There's a lot of different air gaps and openings and things that just don't work with that type of application, a shower door application. We have the plastic sill and automatic door bottom or automatic hinges, pivot hinges, to make sure the door is going to shut every time and create the seal that you need to minimize those air gaps. And let's kind of go in to take a look at what is there. So as you can see, in this room is our Alderwood with a wheat and stain and lacquer. This holds over 1,400 bottles. In addition to that, we did add the VintageView racks up on the top. And then what we did is we took a backer board and rerouted out the back of the backer board and added LED lights to light the back of all the different backer boards. This is VintageView double deep black satin wine racks. In addition to that, we have a quarter round wine rack with all the lighting, puck lights on every display. We also did a high reveal with also a light valance to light up everything around the sides, and then horizontal, triple deep horizontal displays. And again, there's a shelf in there to make sure that, you know, this can't roll off, as you see. In the middle here, we built a tasting table, or a table here with 750 cork forward wine racks. And then over here as well, we have a little cubicles to put some, you know, some brandies or some tequilas or decantings, whatever you like to do. Again, then we added some just 750s and then a high reveal here with some lighting, and then some diamond bins as well. We have a beautiful tasting table, a solid wood tasting table with puck light, and we mimicked the same or did the exact same thing on both sides to give that look of the room that we have. In here, we also put in a ducted split system from US Cellar Systems. US Cellar Systems has a fantastic unit, especially their ducted unit. We put the ducted unit up into the attic, and we put the condensing unit outside next to the garden. What's great about the ducted split system from US Cellar Systems is that they have different sizes, either vertical or horizontal. They had such a small space up in the attic, we actually had to come in through the laundry, up through the attic, to be able to fit the unit in there to make sure that we could actually service that unit on a yearly basis. So as you can hear, it's a very low sound of the cooling unit, but it's fantastic. We didn't do much with the flooring. The flooring was already in here. We just made sure that we kept it very clean and nice, and no scuffs and no problems when we were during construction. What we want to do is we wanted to be able to, right when you walk into the room, is have a focal point of some of the magnums that are on display here. And going back to the cooling unit, we've had the door open for a while, but as you can see, it's in perfect 69% humidity, 58 degrees. He does keep it down at around 55. We just have had the door open for a while. Other things we've done here in this room. So this room was a theater room, then it turned into just a storage room. The customer was so thrilled with the wine room. He's ecstatic with what's going on in the wine room. He said there was 4 other companies that bid this project. He chose us because of our design. The design was totally different than anybody else's on the marketplace. Through the lighting panels we have, through the designs we have, through the little touching things that we do. We are one company that does everything, but we're also a company that has been designing these wine rooms for 19 years, and we are happy to show you the final outcome. Thank you.